How to admit to a mistake. Like a pro. We all make mistakes. The difference between good and great leaders is how they own up to them. Here's a simple 6-step formula to admit a mistake with professionalism, empathy, and impact. And even more challenging when you have to say, "My fault," and it wasn't. What then? Remember to screenshot these steps at the end of this video.
Step 0. Clarify the goal. Before you say a word, be clear on what you want. Is it to protect your ego? Or is it to keep a customer happy, boss happy, protect the relationship, or keep the team aligned? Even if I didn't create the issue, I might be the one to solve it, because the real goal is trust and progress, not being right. Only then should you move forward with the conversation.
Step 1. I made a mistake, and I apologize. Start with ownership, even partial. Say, "I see now that this didn't go the way it should have. I'm really sorry for the frustration this caused." Owning the impact matters more than arguing over the origin.
Step 2. Use SET. That is support, empathy, and truth. Use this SET method. An example. Support statements. Your experience matters to me. Empathy. I get how frustrating this must have been. Truth statement. The truth is, we missed the mark this time. This builds emotional connection and keeps the tone constructive.
Step 3. Connect the truth to action. Shift from mistake to momentum. Here is an example. To make sure this doesn't happen again, then insert your solution or safeguard. It shows you're not just apologizing, you're improving. Step 4. Active listening plus reformulation. You can ask, "Can you tell me how this impacted you?" Then listen fully. Follow up with, "So you felt overlooked and disappointed. I hear you, and I get it." That reflection earns trust.
Step 5. I propose. The prowl step. Now co-create a way forward. I propose we insert specific action here so we can get things back on track. Use prowl and provide options, request feedback, own the next step, work together, learn, and improve.
Step 6. Smart action plan and backup diffusing proposal. Speak to truth solution end with a concrete, confident commitment. Here's my plan. I'll insert action here by insert time and check in with you. Make it smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. If your boss or client does not accept your proposal and escalates their dissatisfaction, or blames you, or wants unrealistic terms, then this is the correct time to speak to truth with a feed-forward proposal that is specific for future mutual actions. Do not play the blame game. The right move here is transparency without blame, and looking to the future and mutual agreement.
Wrap up. Remember, it's not about blame, it's about alignment. Even when it's not your fault, taking responsibility shows strength, empathy, and leadership. Thanks for watching. Make sure to screenshot the admit to a mistake like a pro steps at the end. Like, subscribe, and share.